G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to try and get our 1979 Holden HZ Ute started. Don't know how long it's been sat in a paddock for, but we're going to get it going. So I've checked there's oil in there. It doesn't hold water. One of the Welch plugs, the freeze plugs, has blown out, probably when it's frozen one of these previous winters. So it's not watertight. I've disconnected the fuel tank. There's a heap of stale fuel in there. We're going to start it off, start your bastard. There's no bird's nest or anything in the air cleaner, so that's all nice and clean. So yeah, filmed over a few days, so it's a bit kind of cut together, but you get the point of what's happening here. So we'll start here and I'll come back to you shortly to tell you what's happening next. Oh, we got lights. Oh, got lights. Yeah. Gonna turn over. Doesn't look like it.
What about that?
Try once more. Oh yeah, I see a problem.
What is it?
I think this is supposed to go somewhere.
That's the problem.
Ain't gonna get a spark.
Was that not on?
Where that coil? Where's the coil? Right, so it's never going to start with no coil, and it wasn't really turning over too quick. So yeah, that's why I ended up sorting the battery properly, put a battery terminal on. My neighbour came over with a coil off one of his jet boats, so we've put that in, and this is what happened next. So you reckon plus is going to be our
plus from the
that yellow one?
yeah, and then to the I think that's right. I don't know for sure, but we can try
Technically,
it.
it should still work. What it is?
Oh yeah, is it here?
It's metal. It's metal.
Got something.
We'll jam it in.
And try it.
Beautiful. Good enough.
Now, what do we do for fuel? Because you've got
Well, we'll just-
checked oil, haven't you? You've got
Yeah, there's
some
oil in there.
Yeah.
I was just going to try starting fluid,
Oh, just to see if it makes it go.
just to see if we get a spark. Then we'll worry about trying to
Do you
sort
need
out.
this earth hanging
Well-
around there, or what do you want to do here?
Well, see, that's.
I'll just do it the way you do it.
Yeah, because
oh, shivers.
yeah. So I just
Oh, far out. It is.
yeah. So what I did was had to double up because my jump cables were in that flash.
So you've got nothing down here. You see? No.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, so were you just shorting it out on this to start it, or?
I started on the key. We just,
Oh, it starts on the key. Oh, still. Oh, yeah.
just did that directly to.
Oh, just to make sure it gets a good positive.
Yeah, because it was turning over really slowly. I think.
They do sound pretty sad. They're like.
Doesn't sound very sparky, does it? Ignitions aren't, so we can just try and
Or decipher it from.
so if we just yank that one, hang on. Oh, gee. Oh, yeah.
Jeez, it's done it again.
Just should still get a spark off that, eh? Somewhere.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Do you want me to tune it over?
Yeah, we'll give that
what
a
about
go.
earthing it? Do you reckon that is earthed? Or do you
I don't know.
want to
Just gonna wing it. Where I finished up the other day, we still had no spark from the coil. I was trying to make do with this hillbilly arrangement here. This is a Suzuki something HT lead, and didn't really fit too well in the core, but figured it should probably give a spark. But given it didn't fit too well, thought we'd try one that did fit, so I've grabbed one off a spare VR6 one, put the spark tester on there. Now let's come over here. So now when we de-energize our points, we get a nice spark. So we should be pretty much good to go now. We just need to hack this to pieces, use it as a king lead on here. Then we should have a better chance of this kind of firing into life. So I'll get that all set up and then we'll go from there. Right, so you know it's turning over much better now that we sorted out the battery cable. We're getting a spark from the coil, but it's still no spark to a plug. So I thought we'd just reset the points gap, make sure it's right. So we got our feeler gauges out, set it to 20 thou. Well, this is us setting the points gap, and then we'll go from there. Well, let's just turn it over now to see if we do get any sparking. There, now our gap's a bit different. So we should get a spark. Whilst the engine turns, just the points like that. Yeah, better.
Oh, and it wasn't before.
There we go. Yeah, that's sparking.
That's good. That's good then.
So the points are working.
To pop that in, at least we know that that's right. And then if we're not getting spark coming out of that, then we know that it's done. Oh, it's cold in there. Pain in the head.
Then we want it down to condenser. Because at the moment we've got $7 in this for the battery terminal.
You're like me, trying to get it going for as little as possible. It's always a challenge.
Yeah.
So do you want me to turn that over here? Will that show if it's sparking?
Oh, it should do. Good.
Oh, because it's got to go past that particular.
Yeah. So
we was the road around.
Wouldn't do
Oh, that's
look at that! We've got a spark.
Might have been my points get far
There we
too
go.
much. Jeez, progress, amazing.
These quality tools from super cheap auto.
Yeah.
Right, so we've got a spark coming from there. Look at that. Right. Oh, let's not suck a screwdriver into the distributor, into the carburetor.
That's a Holden. Let's go.
That's breakfast. Right,
now
so we
should hopefully get something now. You're at, oh, yeah, right here. I was going to say, it's going to take off through the wall or something.
Oh, yeah, no, hopefully.
You're right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go. Doesn't sound too bad, eh?
Yeah, right seat stuff. Run out of the can.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Or we could try and run it off the fuel tank, but then we got no cooling system, so it's.
Oh, of course, yeah.
That didn't sound terrible.
No.
Nice even compression.
See what it does.
Yeah, lights have gone out.
Did it go out or?
Yeah, it's gone out.
It's got all pressure. It may need its rockers just maybe a week's innovate, which are easy to do.
Yeah.
Which is below the pedestals down.
Oh yeah. Let's start it on our Ford battery. Oh yeah, it'll work.
People will be laughing going, running it off there.
Oh yeah, that'll do. Pretty good test. It works, it runs, doesn't sound too bad. Next plan will be to take this front clip off. You can take the wings, the front and bonnet, hood, take it all off as one, then you get good access to the engine. Then I can fix up that freeze plug, give it a clean up, maybe sort the ignition system a wee bit better, give it a good run up, see what kind of state the engine's in. Then this will at least be drivable, which this thing's huge, it takes up my whole workshop, so it'd be nice to be able to get it in and out easily, and then we can decide where we're going from there. So thanks for watching, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.